I've had an amazing time these last 3 days and made some really great friends. I've also discovered that although I thought I have come very far in my healing. I've done 18 years of healing, but this was really a deep dig. I feel really like I've let go of the remnants of some old stuff that was left behind, that was interfering in my relationships, and I'm pretty confident that when I go home tonight to my husband, and for the rest of our lives actually, that we will have the awareness and the mindfulness that Zach and Annie have shared with us in such a fun way these last 3 days. Yes, and I'd like to say that whilst I've always wanted to be a leader, I've never really stepped up fully to that role, and I feel readier than ever to do that. I feel like I've really got it in me to share something with others that can truly help, something new and exciting, and I'm ready to do that now. So a big thank you to Zach and Annie. Thank you, Zach and Annie.